Here is how to add friends in Among Us. So go ahead and launch the Among Us application on your device. Then tap on Friends at the top right corner of your screen. This will display your friends list. You can also go through other options like recently played with and blocked players. And you'll also get two different options under friend list, which is incoming request and adding a friend via code. Tap on add friend via code. And here enter your friend's code. Tap on the button to send the request, and your friend will receive a notification and can accept. If you don't have their code, you can tap on the button in the top left corner to see your friend's code. If you don't have their code, you can share your code with your friend. You'll get the option of friend code. Go ahead and tap on this eye icon beside it. Then copy the code and send it to your friend so that they can add you in Among Us and you can accept their friend request. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.